Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot. In today's video guys, if you have Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 multi-air engine or even different engines guys, we'll share guys the symptoms of a bad purge valve. Purge canister valve guys. We'll explain what it does and what are the symptoms from start to finish. Make sure you stay until the end guys. It's very important because that little thing guys, if you have a bad hose or a bad purge valve, sometimes it's super hard to diagnose and you may end up putting so much money replacing oxygen sensor, mass airflow sensor, not knowing how to fix your engine. So quick introduction guys, we have more than 100 videos on that engine, that's why we got it out, so we can show you with a great detail how to do things. In addition guys, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's show you now guys where you can expect to find your purge valve and what it does. So this is guys a 2.4 multi-air engine that's been used on multiple Dodge, Chrysler and Fiat vehicles. You can find it in so many different models guys, the same engine. So what do you do now guys? Okay, usually the purge valve is on the back side of your engine. Okay, right here. On the back side, this is your intake. Usually, okay, this is a replacement engine that we have here. You will have that foam piece. We removed it so we can show you guys. Under that foam piece right here guys, this is where your purge valve is located. Okay, that little device. This is your fuel pressure line coming from the fuel tank. This is the purge canister valve line coming from the fuel tank canister as well guys. So what the purge valve does? Purge valve guys, okay, it's part of the emission system. It's there to reduce your emissions and actually to increase the MPG, okay, the fuel consumption of your vehicle. What it does, it takes the vapors from the fuel tank that actually will be released in the atmosphere on older vehicles, on newer vehicles. He takes those vapors guys, they run through the valve when it builds enough pressure and it's released in the intake manifold, and when it's released in the intake manifold it goes into cylinders and those vapors burn guys, so you get more efficiency and your car uses less fuel and you pollute less. Now how that valve can fail guys, two different ways: stuck open or stuck closed, or the third way guys, you may have a broken hose, vacuum hose somewhere. Usually will be the hose from the purge valve to the intake manifold, or it could be guys a leak here, or it could be a broken line. So always inspect everything. If that thing guys, okay, let me show you now. We're going to remove this one quick. If that thing fails guys, okay, I'm going to explain what you can expect. It's more dangerous when guys, okay, you have a broken hose, okay, because you may not even get an engine light for a purge valve. Now stay with us, towards the end we're going to explain about that. Now if that purge valve guys is stuck open, what will happen? It will create vacuum leak. Vacuum leak is guys known as quantity of air that gets in the engine and the engine doesn't know about this air. You have the air filter box mass airflow sensor that detects how much air is going in your engine, and everything past that point, if it gets okay extra air, it's known as vacuum leak, air that shouldn't be there. Now if that valve is stuck open guys, you develop a vacuum leak and you will guys get a code, okay, for a purge valve. It could be a few different codes, and you may get a code guys for running lean and needing new oxygen sensor or new mass airflow sensor, but in that case you don't guys. All you need to do is just replace your purge valve. If it's stuck closed guys, you get a code. The vapors from the canister will not enter the engine, so you get a code. This is less causing trouble to your engine, but emissions wise it's not good as well too. Now the third scenario guys is the hose breaking somewhere. That's super hard to diagnose because you will not get a code for the purge valve. You have engine light on after you drive the car for a long time, but it will be related to a vacuum leak, usually thinking that you have a bad oxygen sensor, especially upstream oxygen sensor, or bad mass airflow sensor. So always check your hoses, check the valve. We have a video on the channel that explains how to test the valve. Super simple guys, it takes only a couple seconds. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you doing that repair. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.